Hi, boys and girls. This is Mrs. Pearson, your elementary ELL teacher. Today we're going to do the vocabulary review sentences for second grade journeys, lesson 13, and our anchor text is schools around the world. Before this lesson, you will need a pencil and a piece of paper where you're going to write your numbers 1 to 16. Or your teacher might have given you this worksheet that already has the numbers and sentences written for you. So if you need to, push pause, get your pencil and your piece of paper, write your numbers 1 to 16, and when you're finished doing that, push play. So here's our learning target. I can use pictures and context clues to fill in the word that best fits each sentence. Here's our success criteria. That means, how will you know you're successful at using pictures and context clues to fill in the word that best fits each sentence? Well, here are our steps to success. I will, number 1, read each sentence or group of words. Number 2, choose the vocabulary word that best fits each sentence. Number 3, write the correct word on my paper or whiteboard. And you don't need to write these words yet. We're just going to say them out loud. So A is culture. B is languages. C is subjects. D is special. F is community. G is lessons. H is transportation. And I is where. All right, so now number 1, I want to take blank to learn how to play tennis. I want to take community to learn how to play tennis. I want to take lessons to learn how to play tennis. I want to take transportation to learn how to play tennis. Or I want to take where to learn how to play tennis. What makes sense given our picture clues and where the word is in the sentence? Lessons. I want to take lessons to learn how to play tennis. I want to take lessons to learn how to play tennis. So you need to write lessons for number 1. Lessons. And if I ever go too quickly, push pause so that you can catch up. Also, at the end of our lesson, I will have all of these words, 1 through 16, on a slide. Number 2, I can speak several different blank. I can speak several different culture. I can speak several different languages. I can speak several different subjects. I can speak several different special. What makes sense given our picture clues and where the word is in the sentence, the context? Languages. I can speak several different languages. So make sure you write languages for number 2, Languages, languages. I can speak several different languages. Number 3, a police officer helps protect the people in my blank. A police officer helps protect the people in my community. A police officer helps protect people in my lessons. A police officer helps people helps protect people in my transportation, or a police officer helps protect the people in my where. What makes sense given our picture clues and the context of where the word is in the sentence? Community. A police officer helps protect the people in my community. COMMUNITY. A police officer helps protect the people in my community. 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 Number 4. My favorite blank are reading and math this year. My favorite culture are reading and math this year. My favorite languages are reading and math this year. My favorite subjects are reading and math this year. Or my favorite special are reading and math this year. What makes sense given our picture clues and where the word is in the sentence, the context? Subjects. My favorite subjects are reading and math this year. My favorite subjects are reading and math this year. Subjects. 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 My favorite subjects are reading and math this year. Number 5. To get to Yellowstone, we used a plane as our blank. To get to Yellowstone, we used a community. To get to Yellowstone, we used a plane as our community. To get to Yellowstone, we used a plane as our lessons. To get to Yellowstone, we used a plane as our transportation. Or to get to Yellowstone, we used a plane as our where. What makes sense given our picture clues and where the word is in our sentence? Transportation. To get to Yellowstone, we used a plane as our transportation. Transportation has the root word transport, TRANSPORTATION. Transportation. To get to Yellowstone, we used a plane as our transportation. Number 6. Every blank celebrates many special days. Every culture celebrates many special days. Every languages celebrates many special days. Every subjects celebrates many special days. Or every special celebrates many special days. What makes sense given our picture clues and where the word is in the sentence, the context? Culture. Every culture celebrates many special days. Every culture celebrates many special days. Culture is spelled CULTURE. Culture. Every culture celebrates many special days. Number 7. Which word goes with sneakers, jackets, and cowboy hats? Which word goes with sneakers, jackets, and cowboy hats? Would it be community? Goes with sneakers, jackets, and cowboy hats? Lessons? Goes with sneakers, jackets, and cowboy hats? Transportation? Does that go with sneakers, jackets, and cowboy hats? Or where? Does where go with sneakers, jackets, and cowboy hats? What would go with it given our picture clues? Where. W-E-A-R, where. W-E-A-R, where. Where. Number 8. My family is very blank to me. My family is very blank to me. My family is very culture to me. My family is very languages to me. My family is very subjects to me. My family is very special to me. What makes sense given the context where the word is in the sentence and our picture clues? Special. My family is very special to me. Special, S-P-E-C-I-A-L, special. My family is very special to me. Number 9. Which word goes with planes, trains, and automobiles? Which word goes with planes, trains, and automobiles? Would it be community? Goes with planes, trains, and automobiles. Lessons goes with planes, trains, automobiles. Transportation goes with planes, trains, and automobiles. Or where goes with planes, trains, and automobiles. What makes sense given our picture clues and what we know about those words? Transportation. Transportation goes with planes, trains, and automobiles because planes, trains, and automobiles are all forms of transportation. They take us different places from one place to the next. Transportation, transportation. Number 10. Which word goes with Arabic, Somali, and Spanish? Which word goes with Arabic, Somali, and Spanish? Would it be culture? Goes with Arabic, Somali, and Spanish? Would it be languages? Goes with Arabic, Somali, and Spanish? Or would it be subjects that goes with Arabic, Somali, and Spanish? Or special goes with Arabic, Somali, and Spanish? Those are all languages. 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 Languages go with Arabic, Somali, and Spanish. Arabic is a language, Somali is a language, and Spanish is a language. Languages. 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 Number 11. My school is like a blank. My school is like a community. My school is like a lessons. My school is like a transportation. Or my school is like a where. What makes sense given our picture clues and where the word is in the sentence? The context. Community. My school is like a community. My school is like a community. 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 Number 12. Which word goes with holidays, celebrations, and festivals? Which word goes with holidays, celebrations, and festivals? Would it be culture goes with holidays, celebrations, and festivals? Would it be languages go with holidays, celebrations, and festivals? Would it be subjects go with holidays, celebrations, and festivals? Or would it be special goes with holidays, celebrations, and festivals? Culture. Culture goes with holidays, celebrations, and festivals. Culture. 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 Culture goes with holidays, celebrations, and festivals. Culture. Culture. Number 13. I like to blank my favorite hat. I like to community my favorite hat. I like to lessons my favorite hat. I like to transportation my favorite hat. Or I like to wear my favorite hat. What makes sense given our picture clues and where the word is in the sentence? The context. Wear. I like to wear my favorite hat. I like to wear my favorite hat. W-E-A-R. W-E-A-R. Wear. Number 14. Which word goes with different, extraordinary, and unusual? Which word goes with different, extraordinary, and unusual? Would it be culture goes with different, extraordinary, and unusual? Languages go with different, extraordinary, and unusual. Subjects go with different, extraordinary, and unusual. Or special goes with different, extraordinary, and unusual. What do you think given our picture clues and what we know about these words? Special. Special goes with different, extraordinary, and unusual. Special. S-P-E-C-I-A-L. Special. S-P-E-C-I-A-L. Special. Because special means something that's different or extraordinary or unusual. Number 15. Teachers help us learn about many different blank. Teachers help us learn about many different culture. Teachers help us learn about many different languages. Teachers help us learn about many different subjects. Teachers help us learn about many different special. What makes the most sense given our picture clues and where the word is in the sentence, the context? Subjects. Teachers help us learn about many different subjects like math, reading, history, science, PE, music. Those are all different subjects that teachers teach. Teachers help us learn about many different subjects. 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 Number 16, our last one. Which word goes with subjects, learn, and taught? Which word goes with subjects, learn, and taught? Would it be community goes with subjects, learn, and taught? Or would it be lessons goes with subjects, learn, and taught? Or transportation goes with subjects, learn, and taught? Or where goes with subjects, learn, and taught? What word makes the most sense given what we know about these words and our picture clues? Lessons. Lessons go with subjects, learn and taught. Lessons, 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 lessons. All right, now it's time to check your work. Number one, lessons. Number two, languages. Number three, community. Number four, subjects. Number five, transportation. Number six, culture. Number seven, where. Number eight, special. Number nine, transportation. Number 10, languages. Number 11, community. Number 12, culture. Number 13, where. Number 14, special. Number 15, subjects. Number 16, lessons. So if you need to, you can push pause here to make sure you have all the words 1 to 16 correctly spelled and in the right spot. And when you're finished correcting any work or checking your work, you can push play when you're finished. All right, nice work. You've mastered your vocabulary words. At the top of your page, I want you to reflect. How well did you hit our learning target? I can use pictures and context clues to fill in the word that best fits each sentence. Would you give yourself a 4? I could teach this lesson. I easily selected all the correct vocabulary words that fit each sentence. Or would you give yourself a 3? I was able to select most of the correct vocabulary words that fit each sentence. Or would you give yourself a 2? I was able to select some of the correct vocabulary words that fit each sentence. Or would you give yourself a 1? I was not able to select any of the correct vocabulary words that fit each sentence. How do you think you did? 4, 3, 2, or 1? All right, boys and girls, thank you for reading the vocabulary sentences with me and for writing the vocabulary words. Have a great day.